We called it progress, a net of light wrapping the world. We never asked what it was smothering. The diagnosis was clear. Terminal. Every surge of power, every volt channeled through the grid, wasn't just energy, it was a rhythmic insult to the planet's core. A heartbeat pushed into arrhythmia. Long before the grid, there was a signal, a silent pulse, Earth's own steady song. We discovered it, then promptly built a civilization on top of it. We composed a louder, brasher symphony and called it the future. We stopped listening to the original melody. When the seizures began, the response was more power. Stabilize the grid. A dying man given adrenaline. The last great surge before the heart gives out. In the dying light, you saw the truth. Not in the labs, but in the faces of those already living in the margins of the electric dream. They were afraid of the dark. They didn't realize the light had become the predator. And at the end, a single choice, not between light and dark, but between a screaming, dying frequency and silence. Between forcing a heartbeat and letting it find its own rhythm again. And in the silence, it returned. Faint at first. A single, deep thrum from the heart of the world. Not a scream, not a plea, a pulse. The first true breath in a century. We were wrong about the enemy. The enemy wasn't darkness. It was the noise, the constant, blinding static that stopped us from seeing, from hearing, from feeling each other, and the world that cradled us. The future wasn't in the wire. It was in the space between them, in the quiet where the pulse could finally be heard again.